Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies starting from 18th till 24th of October. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Alright, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's get started with your reading. So for those who want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see. Okay, so what is there for my Aries starting from 18th till 24th of October 2021? Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus sign for my Aries, October 18th till 24th. At the back of the deck we have the 10 of Pentacles over here. Okay, so your overall energy is telling us with the 10 of Pentacles is that you might be going through a proper stable period of your life. Okay, so this could be a beautiful situation. It could be a passion where you would have, put your energies, more and more energies day by day. You would want to keep going on in this situation. For some of you, you might be getting married. It could be involving a marriage. You might be getting married, or you might be going in a marriage, since it's a marriage season. It's a very beautiful family season. So yes, things are pretty fine in the family because of the festival time as well. But yeah, it brings peace. Okay, with the 10 of Pentacles, it brings peace and stability. So your overall energy is wanting to bring peace and stability in your family or in your surroundings, in whatever. Okay, so we will clarify more it in detail. In the past we have 5 of Wands, the Dreamer, which is the Fool energy of the tarot, and the Knight of Swords. In the past you could have started a new journey. Okay, it could be a new situation, a new job, something new love situation. It can be anything, but because of that there were a lot of problems. It could be a lot of conflicts with your family or with your people around you. Many conflicts came with that situation in your surroundings, and you could have decided about the situation really fast to avoid the conflicts. It could be like that. Okay, but we will clarify what exactly that is. In the present we have the 7 of Swords, we have Vice Counselor, and we have the 9 of Pentacles. Vice Counselor is the Hierophant in the tarot. So yeah, it can be something related with some traditional issues. Okay, in the present also you might be going through the problem of traditional issues, might be with your family, might be surrounding you. You could have lost your peace of mind. That is why you want stability to come back in your life, because it was there, but from some time that stability, you are not getting that kind of stability around you. In the coming future we have the 8 of Pentacles, King of Pentacles and the Lovers. So yeah, I feel that there is a lot of situations with this card, with the 8 of Pentacles. It feels that you might be really getting to work whatever things which are causing the loss of peace of mind in your head. You might be you might be giving attentions to the details which might be required in the coming future, and you might be making things correct around you. But let's see what is there for you with the tarot. Let's clarify your energies now. Okay, so check. So tell me more about the Ten of Pentacles, please, for my Aries, for the overall energy. Why the Ten of Pentacles is here? We have Four of Pentacles, the Magician, the Sun, and Justice. A situation involves celebration. Celebration is around the corner, but it could be regarding something, like it could be a situation in concern with law. Court issues might be going on, for that your issues could be resolving, and whatever stability you are wanting in with your family, with yourself around you, the stability might be coming your way because of that situation, because of that happiness, because of that problems which are resolving around you. There is somebody who was a little stubborn around you. Okay, you might be dealing with a person who was really stubborn, and there was a lot of rigidness. That person might be changing, and because of that change, things are resolving for you. This is the card. Let me check. So tell me more about the Five of Wands in the past energies. Ace of Swords, Knight of Cups, the Hermit. Okay, so whatever situation was there in the past, okay, so whatever that conflict was, whatever the new thing was which brought a lot of conflicts around you, you made the things quite clear with the person, or with the opposite person. You made it clear that I do not want all these things. I do not want all the drama which you are showing to me, which you are showing to my family, which I do not want to see this anymore, and I want peace with that thing. This was new, but it brought conflicts, so you had peace with the things in the past only, and because of that past, because you wanted peace, you might have taken a decision. You might have entered, made this thing to court. You could have taken this thing to the court, and you thought that law would be a better place. The court would be a better place to make your things quite clear with you and the person involved. You wanted peace, but actually it didn't bring peace, because the decision was really fast. Whatever this thing was, it brought a lot of problems. You wanted peace, but it brought problems. But let's see what is the coming future for you. What is the Knight of Swords telling us in here in the past? We have Knight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and Page of Wands. A lot of people could have been involved. This could have involved a child or children as well. Yeah, there are people involved in the situation. In the past, it could be a group of people. It could be, because of one person, there was a lot of problems which got involved with you and the other person, and because of that, many people also entered in this situation, in this conflict, and it went big and bigger. Tell me more about the Seven of Swords. Six of Swords, Judgment, and Eight of Swords. So yeah, you took a lot of problems. You have seen a lot of problems, a lot of conflicts. From those conflicts, you started going to the calmer waters. Since you started going towards a very peace state of mind, you wanted to go there, although you couldn't, because again something happened. So it was like, when we are already suffering from a problem, and again that problem is not resolved yet, but again some other problem has come up, so you are dealing with two problems at a time. So now you might be feeling stuck, because you want peace, you want stability for yourself and your family, but now you are stuck with two problems, or more than two, or that one problem also could be a very big problem. So that is why you are stuck with that thing. You are feeling that you are stuck. You want this situation to get balanced, to just get ended, but you might not be going through that place right now. Things might not be ending, but you want a judgment day. You want that thing. Tell me more about the wise counselor, the Hierophant energies in the present. Nine of Swords with the King of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles. Yeah, you might be asking help from people, like please help me about for the situation. You might be asking for guidance, you might be asking for advice. Wise counselor also tells us about you might be going to a counselor or a person with who could be help. You do not have to give money in the situation, but yes, there are people who are trying to help you. Just listen to them, listen to the community surrounding you, because some people are actually helping you. If somebody is trying to take you to a problem, more problem, that person is not a help, okay? But somebody who is trying to say that try to resolve mutually, that person is surely a help to you. So listen to the universe and listen to that person who's trying to help you, because to be honest, with the Nine of Pentacles, which in your present energies, it tells me that you are going through a lot of problems. At the back of your mind there are problems, but in the front you are not showing so many problems. You are actually enjoying. See, you are a person who is actually looking at the present situation. So you are happy in the present, but the past situations are making you feel they are little delays for your future. They are like some kind of blockages which are coming up for your future energies. Tell me more about the King of Pentacles, please. King of Pentacles. Tell me more about the King of Pentacles. Eight of Wands, Page of Cups, and Three of Pentacles. So for me, this is something related with the finance, since the Pentacles card are very, they are so much in the future energies. With the Pentacles, it brings stability. It brings stability in finances. It brings, some kind of a support which we want with Pentacles. Yeah. So support is coming towards you, Aries. If you want a support is coming towards you. Basically, what you are doing is you are yourself attracting some kind of support to you. So this is some kind of a manifestation you could be doing from the past, but yeah, it's like the universe is trying to help you now. The Lovers. Ten of Swords, the Moon with the King of Cups. Okay, so the situation with the past thing was not good, honestly, because it had strong hidden secrets. Okay, there were something hidden in the past, but they are coming, all things are coming towards an end now. So you do not have to just be there, and you do not have to just stick in that situation anymore, because somebody is trying to help you. Listen to, this could be a father, this could be a person who is elder to you, but listen to this person, whosoever this. You could be dealing with a Scorpio around you, Virgo, Libra. I can see all the signs actually, but yeah, these are Aries also, so this could be your energy or some other Aries other than you. I see Gemini, I see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Well, I'm seeing all the signs. So yeah, but strong energies, which I told you earlier, signs. Yeah, these are the strong ones. Gemini again. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Aries. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.